Taking a live look now at Snoqualmie Pass, there is a winter storm warning that's now in effect through Sunday. From this afternoon through Sunday, the pass could see up to 1.5 feet of snow. And according to WSDOT, they are seeing snow and slush on the roadways now, and it is snowing, at least according to WSDOT. Right now, traction ties are advised. Oversized vehicles are prohibited. Stevens Pass could also get more than 2 feet of snow. And on top of that, a wind advisory is in place for Spokane starting tonight. So, by the way, we're going to continue to give you live updates and alerts of Snoqualmie Pass delays of 30 minutes or more. You can just text us the word PASS to 509-448-2000. And of course, Michelle, we're keeping a close eye on the Cascades and of course the upper elevations as well when it comes to that wintry weather, especially for those that are trying to hit the roads.
Yeah, this is going to be a pretty potent storm system. Not so much in the way of snow for the lower elevations, though up in northeastern Washington and in the northern Idaho Panhandle, they will get some accumulating snow. So there can be some snow-covered roads out there. But this is really a big event for the mountains, and things are really just starting to get going here across the inland northwest. Pretty quiet in Spokane right now. We had a few snow showers today, just a trace reported at the Spokane airport. Currently cloudy skies, 35 degrees. Seems a little bit warm, and temperatures are only going to get warmer. That's what's really going to be cutting into our snow accumulation. It's just going to be too warm. And once again, we've said that so much this late fall so far. Temperatures too warm for that snow to stick, and that is going to be the case again today. Also keeping an eye on those winds out of the south-southwest, currently sustained at 21 miles per hour. But we're going to be seeing even stronger wind gusts that if you don't have your Christmas decorations secured, I highly recommend you go and stake those things down tonight because the winds are already starting to pick up. But sustained winds right now in Spokane of 21 miles an hour, a little bit breezy in Ritzville and Coeur d'Alene. Winds not really picking up elsewhere, but those are going to be increasing overnight and for tomorrow morning. Here's a look at the potential wind gust over the next 12 hours. Anywhere from 45 to even 50 miles per hour tomorrow. So you'll probably be hearing it howling out your windows, and those winds are bringing in some much milder temperatures again, which is why we're not counting on a whole lot of snow in those lower elevations. So a mixture of rain and snow through the day on Saturday, probably snow tonight and then changing over to rain tomorrow. Heavy snow in the mountains, and then those southerly winds, 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds, gusting up to 55 miles per hour. If you can get through Saturday, Sunday is looking a little bit quieter. We'll still see some heavy snow in the mountains Sunday morning, but by Sunday afternoon, may even see a little bit of sunshine and a few snow showers, but some light snow showers for Sunday. Here's a look at some of the snow amounts. Again, really just focusing the heaviest snow on the mountains, so places like Lookout Pass, Stevens Pass, Snoqualmie Pass will get the heaviest snow. Sherman Pass in north central Washington, not quite as bad, and you can see some lighter accumulations around Chewelah, 2 to 3 inches, Sandpoint 4 to 6, or Bonners Ferry 4 to 6 inches. Sandpoint could see 6 to 8 inches of snow, so heavier amounts up in North Idaho. Right now, our big upper level low pressure system is in the Gulf of Alaska, but it's sending this warm, strong, moist laden air into our region as that rides over the Cascades, the northern Rockies, and is just squeezing out all that snow. So here's a look at future tracker. Snowy weather tonight and tomorrow, but you can see across central Washington pretty quiet, even some sunshine expected tomorrow. Places like Moses Lake, Omak, and Wenatchee will continue to see heavy snow in the central Panhandle and in the Cascades. Finally starting to see things quiet down for Sunday. All right, here's a look at the temperature forecast for tomorrow. Some pretty warm air of mid-50s in Ephrata and Moses Lake, 50 in Grand Coulee, 40 in Deer Park, lower 40s for Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, and near 50 degrees in Lewiston. Here's a look at that extended forecast, and it's going to cool down, but not until later into next week. Highs in the low 30s and lows eventually making it down into the low 20s and teens for next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.